Karen Jeckley Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my expandable baton, okay, so which I got from wish.com. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 14 American dollars for it. I got it in an offer, and plus I paid about $3 for shipping it to Oman. So total I paid about 17 American dollars for it. So now we will open it, we will see the quality, and we will see the feel of it. So guys, like, if you like to collect EDCs, all of you must be knowing about these expandable batons. So they are widely used by the security agencies and the police, law enforcement officers for the self defense. So here it is. So they packed it in 2 layers of plastic. So let us open this one also. Okay, so here it is. So it comes in this pouch, and it has, as you can see, it has a hand strap. So let us open it, let us take it out. Okay, so here it is. It has like this plastic handle with the rubber grip on it. Okay, so the weight is not that much. It is about, it I think between 200 to 300 grams. And here we have a hand strap, and here you can see it comes with a glass breaker. So let us see how smoothly it expands. Oh, oh. The full expanded length is about 64 centimeters. Now guys, if we see the body of this baton, okay, so it is covered with a layer of a plastic. Okay, so inside I think it has a steel core, and on top of it they have coated it with a plastic. So let us open it. I'll open the tip and let us see. Yes, so most of the batons I have seen before, so the tip is solid steel, but this one is plastic. And here is the metal pipe inside. So this is a metal pipe, and it has a coating of plastic. Okay, so it is not, that's why the weight was light, that's why you could not feel the weight much. And guys, as I told you, the full expanded length is about 64 centimeters, that is about 25 inches, or you can say about 2 feet. So guys, here it is. So let us try to fold it. So normally the steel batons, you cannot fold it that easily by hitting it on a table. So you have to hit it on a solid floor. But this goes in very smoothly. So guys, this was our expandable baton from wish.com. So I don't think so ki you can use it in a very hardcore situations, but still, like, something is better than nothing when it comes to self-defense, because the weight is not much, and inside you can see there is a metal pipe, and on that metal pipe there is a coating of plastic. And I think this is what you can expect in a $14 baton. Okay, so guys, I hope you like my video, and guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more knife reviews, EDC reviews. Okay, and guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.